How to use Facebook Creator Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can use Facebook Creator Studio to organize your Facebook and your Instagram as well. How you can check out your published, pre-published posts and manage your content on Facebook and Instagram pages. So let's get started. Now to launch your Facebook Creator, you have to go to facebook.com/creatorstudio.com, and of course you will actually have to log into your real Facebook. First you will actually have to log into your Facebook account, and then you can just simply come to your Facebook Creator Studio. This is what the Facebook Creator Studio looks like. You can see this is kind of the dashboard where you will be getting all the insights of your published posts, your content library, and inside everything happening to your page and behind the scenes. So from Creator Studio, we actually manage our Facebook and we can also manage our Instagram account as well. So what you do is you can see this option of Facebook right here, and if I click on Instagram, I can actually manage my Instagram as well from my Facebook. So we will just check out how this actually works. So you can see the option of create new here. Now when I click on create new, I can actually create a post for my Facebook page from my Creator Studio, or I can create post test, which is the publish the best performing content and improve your distribution, add story, upload video or multiple videos, or go live, or I can just simply go post video across pages. So what happens on Creator Studio is that I can actually create a post, create ad story, whatever I can do to my page, I can do on a Creator Studio from one platform. I can actually go ahead and manage my page or my multiple pages. So that's pretty good. That's how it actually works. So when I click on create post, it's super simple. You just, add post. For example, if it's my page, I will just simply create any post that I wanted to create, and I will just simply create from Creator Studio. So for now, I'm just not gonna, post anything, or you can actually post from right here. You can see the option of post something. I can add a story, upload video, or go live. So these are actually pretty simple how you actually, add a post. But there are many other options that you can avail from Creator Studio of Facebook. For example, check this one out, pre-published. When I click on this, you will see these sub options right here, which are all videos, live videos, photo links, and text. Now I can actually, check out my pre-published post that I have already published on my page. So you can see your published posts right here, whether it's a video, your live, or your photos, links, or text. Whatever you have published on your page, you can actually access through your Creator Studio. I actually do not have published anything yet, and it's actually kind of taking time to load, and I want to show you around everything. So this is like the pre-published option. Then there is published option, where you will see, of course, the published post. Now in pre-published, you actually see how if you have scheduled any post, you can actually, schedule post on Creator Studio. For example, if you want to post something tomorrow or maybe later, you can actually do that as well. So when we go to the content library, you will see the post, testing, stories, videos. You can cross post, playlists, series, clips, instant articles, and post timelines. Now this is the good thing about Creator Studio. You can see right here that I can actually get access to anything I posted on any page. For example, sometimes we look for different posts or anything that I posted maybe a month ago or maybe 2 months ago. Now I want to check out that what were the insights for that post, how many likes it got, how many comments, what was the pay for that, if you have monetization. So whatever happened to that post, I can actually check out from Creator Studio without, going through everything. That's the basic of Creator Studio. That is why Creator Studio was created. So this is how it actually, works. And then we have the insight option. And now insight option means I can actually get an insight to my post, the post that I created on my pages. I can get an insight that how many audience I reached, what was the insight for that post that I boosted, or any ad that I added on my page. I can actually get an insight from pages, overview, audience, performance, and benchmarking, loyalty, retention, and performance as well. So you can see that these are different options that we get on Creator Studio. If you want to check out the audience, like how many people you actually targeted from your last post or your from last ad, you can just simply go right here. So when I go back to my Creator Studio, this is the dashboard. So you can see I showed you notification, content library, insight. Then you will see all of these other options as well. Inbox option. Now this is pretty good. You can actually get access to your your inbox as well, and you can actually check out the inside for your inbox. If you want to manage your inbox, you can do that as well from your Creator Studio. Then monetization. If you have monetization, for example, if you have different collabs, you run ads, you have a payment method added to your Facebook, and you have different policy issues, so anything dealing with monetization you can do right here on your Creator Studio. This is actually similar to what YouTube Studio is, and we create videos on YouTube Studio and you can do a lot with your YouTube channel. So Facebook has now created their own Creating Studio where you get all the inside of your page, where you can actually run ads, you get information about your insights, you get information about your monetization. So yeah, in simple words, you can say that Facebook Creator Studio is very similar to YouTube Creator Studio, and you will actually get insight to everything. So after that, you get the creative tools. This is a very nice option that we have, actually, live dashboard. Now live dashboard means that if you are going live right now, you can actually check the insights to your live stream right here on Creator Studio. After that, sound collection, settings, and of course resources. So this is how basically these different options are given on Creator Studio. So, and you can actually click on any of these options and you will be able to avail them. It's completely free. So you get all of these options right here. You can just call it the quick access, where you can actually go to monetization real quick, recent post. In your recent post, you will be able to check out all the recent posts that you added, then insights, post, and inspiration. Now these are the different options that you can actually click on any of these and avail any of this, and you can check out the insight, recent post, or check the inspiration as well. If you want to test post anything, when you actually get your Creator Studio, they actually ask you to run a test video or create a post. You can do that as well. Without going to my Facebook account, I can actually create a new post, go live right now, or I can check out the comments or add a comment to all of my page at the same time. If I want to access my Instagram account as well, I can do that too, just from one platform, which is called Creator Studio. And yes, I think if you are looking to manage your Facebook account, you have multiple pages, now you don't have to worry. Just go to Creator Studio and you will be good to go. So yeah guys, after that, you can see right here that if I want to check out the calendar view, that is also available. So what I have to do is, you can see this option right here. When I click on this option, it will actually show me the calendar view, how my page and how my account is doing, and I can actually check out the weekly view or monthly view of my page, that how it is doing, what are the analytics according to the calendar. So this is how it simply works. So you can just check out the calendar view from here. When you want to go back, we will just simply go back, and right here you will see that these options actually go away. So when you see these options right here, you will see that when we go to resources, you will see instant article and shop. So you can actually go ahead and quickly access your instant articles or your shop from this option right here. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.